What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a image circle using Elementor Pro page builder. For doing this you need to take equal size image, that means height and width should be equal. So I have downloaded an image. Let me check. uh, yes, this is the image. This is, guys, you are seeing this is a 300 pixel by 300 pixel image. So for getting a circle section image, so we need to take equal size image. Okay, so here we need to take image, just take on here, drag and drop here and upload. Guys, I'm uploading 300 pixel image, 300 by 300 pixel image. Okay, so what is this? Maybe which image? This image. Yes, so after uploading you'll see this image is 300 pixel by 300 pixel. You see 300 pixel by 300 pixel. So just insert. Okay guys, that's nice. Now you are saying this is not equal, this is not circle like others images. So how we can make this circle? For doing this, what we have to do, just click on style and just put here with 300, then come border, put here also 300. So guys, you see circle has been done. This is 200 pixel images, so it looks smaller than this. So guys, like this you can, okay, let's save change and refresh this page. Yes, you see guys, so like this you can change, or like this you can add your, or you can make your image circle using Elementor Pro. I think guys you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please, uh, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please like, and if you have any comment you can put also. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.